From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bond. Saturday and Sunday we hit 56 degrees. Sunday was dry. Saturday was pretty wet, so we did pick up a good bit of rain on Saturday. Matter of fact, we picked up 56 hundredths of an inch of rain. So 56 hundredths of an inch of rain on Saturday, and we did make it up to 56 also. 77 degrees the record high for today. That's going to be safe. 12 degrees is a record low. Obviously, that'll be safe as well. Back in 1973, we picked up a little bit of snow. Partly cloudy, a little bit cooler today with high temperatures in the lower 50s. Tomorrow, though, is the day we're watching very closely for the potential for some strong thunderstorms, some of which could be severe. It's going to be pretty windy. We'll have some heavy downpours as well. So a lot going on tomorrow. Today, though, pretty quiet as high pressure is in control of our weather. But you look out towards our west. That's our developing system that's going to be moving towards us. And as it does, it's going to increase the chances for rain as early as about midnight or so. So those rain chances do increase very late tonight and early parts of Tuesday. So this is midnight. Notice those showers starting to move into parts of the Midlands. Some moderate to heavy rainfall will be possible during the overnight hours. Probably a little bit of a break in the activity, and then as we get into the mid to late morning hours, certainly into the early afternoon hours, those rainfall chances will increase once again, and the threat for severe weather will start to kind of ramp up. This is noon. You'll see that line of storms from York County through Chester, Fairfield, looks like Newberry, Saluda over towards Edgefield, and that line will continue to move basically from west to east as we push through the rest of the afternoon. This is Tuesday at 2 o'clock. Number of thunderstorms still moving through. This is 4 o'clock. Most of the activity is now shifted towards the eastern half of the Midlands and the Palmetto State. By the time we get later into the afternoon and certainly into the evening hours, the severe weather threat will be out of here and those rain chances will start to decrease. Our weather will improve on Wednesday, but it'll still be a bit breezy at times on Wednesday, but we'll start to dry out. So that's certainly great news there. No watches and warnings in effect as of right now. We do have a wind advisory for the majority of the Palmetto State. This is from 6 o'clock Tuesday morning until 9 o'clock Tuesday night. So we'll have winds 25 to 35 miles per hour. That would be sustained with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. There's also that threat for severe weather where at least most of the Midlands in this enhanced risk. So you're talking about numerous thunderstorms, persistent, and a few of these could be intense, and we can't totally rule out that opportunity for even a tornado tomorrow. We can have severe weather all year round, and tomorrow may be one of those January days when we do have some severe weather. Damaging wind gusts still the main threat, but as we mentioned, we can't totally rule out that threat for a tornado warning. So again, we'll be watching this very closely Tuesday. There's also the threat for some heavy downpours that could lead to some flash flooding. You'll notice that yellow area is the slight risk for at least some excessive rainfall that could lead to some flash flooding. The green area is a little bit lower. The threat is a little bit lower. The highest threat, though, across South Carolina as of right now is in the upstate of South Carolina. So showers, storms likely tomorrow, maybe even some severe weather. Pretty quiet Wednesday, Thursday, and then we'll have another chance for some showers and storms on Friday. That is the American model. European model showing basically that same idea. So we're in pretty good agreement there, both models and what we're thinking also. Anywhere from 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches to 2 inches, but you'll notice those rainfall totals, at least the potential increase the further you go towards the north and west. Today, very quiet with high temperatures in the lower 50s, so a little cooler compared to yesterday. Rain develops after midnight with lows in the upper 30s and lower 40s, but those storms will be possible tomorrow. Again, it's going to be pretty windy at times. Those winds will help bring up some warmer air with high temperatures in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. It'll still be a bit breezy at times on Wednesday, but will dry out. Thursday, a good bit of sunshine. Scattered showers and storms are possible on Friday with highs rebounding once again into the low to mid 60s. The weekend looks to be pretty quiet. As we look ahead towards the coastal forecast, strong storms are expected on Tuesday, and you notice a little bit of rain is going to be possible Friday. Upstate, more of the same. Showers and storms on Tuesday, some heavy rainfall and rain on Friday, but the weekend looks to be pretty quiet. Looking ahead in our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, we're talking about possibly wetter than normal conditions along the coastal region of South Carolina. This is between January 15th and January 21st. And as of right now, we're expecting cooler than normal conditions in that time frame for all of the southeast. But the big story this week will be the potential for severe weather on Tuesday. Keep an eye to the weather, and we'll be tracking this as this cold front continues to push towards the Palmetto State.